Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last videos, we've looked at most of the amazing features of cTrader, and in this video, we will look at the notifications and alerts to keep you up to date on opportunities and the status of your accounts. The most basic of alerts is the price alert, which can be set up in TradeWatch by clicking Create Price Alert. This will launch a pop-up using the active chart, so ensure that you are creating a price alert on the symbol you require. The default price is the bid, and you may use the ask price if you wish. Set the alert to be either higher or lower than the target level specified, depending on where it is in relation to the existing level. The target will then be displayed on a chart and in price alerts under TradeWatch. As the cTrader platforms are server-based, any notifications and alerts will also appear on cTrader Web and cTrader Mobile, as long as they are set to the same account. You may also set a price alert for either bid or ask instantly with the crosshairs by right-clicking at the current level of the crosshairs. A price alert may also be set up from an order ticket. On cTrader Web, you also have the option of setting one up from the Active Symbol panel. Alerts list will show you just that. You may adjust a price alert directly from the chart, and when the target is reached, you will be notified on any platform showing that account. If your smartwatch is linked to your mobile device, you may receive an alert here as well. If you would also like to receive price alerts in your email, go to Settings and select Email Alerts and tick Price Alerts. These settings will apply only to the active account and sent to the cTrader ID email registered. Your platforms and mobile device will receive notifications on the account automatically, and you may set up email alerts for your take profit when hit, stop loss, pending order filled, your smart stop out, and your margin calls. You may set up 3 margin calls based on a percentage of your available account margin used. You may adjust these levels as required, and you will receive notifications and emails to warn you. Account activity such as deposits and withdrawals may be sent to you, as can your monthly statements. Click on Configure, which will launch a web page where you may activate or deactivate various items, and select language for your email notifications and alerts. In Settings under Notifications, you may adjust the status of the platform pop-ups for each workspace. The default is Show All, and we recommend this, but you can restrict the pop-ups to Last Only, Errors Only, or Off. For advanced traders using Automate, you may have indicators or cbots sending emails to alert you of various actions or conditions. To take advantage of this, you must enable email and indicate the appropriate email server and authentication. That's all for now. In our next video, we will show you how to take advantage of cTrader's Analyze. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.